Before we start this video, we have I want to give a motivating quote to you that success does not come from occasionally. Success does not come what you do occasionally, but success comes from what you do consistently. So focus on consistency. Don't focus on anything. If you do what you love and what you do consistency, you will be successful one day. So today's topic is how to master and how to learn data structures and algorithms in just 5 months of time. So this is my second video on this channel. Please hit the subscribe and bell icon and also like this video. Let's move forward with our chapter, that is how to learn data structures and algorithms in just 5 months. So in the first month of your DSA journey, you have to start with basic programming, if else loops, functions, recurse. Then move you on to arrays and strings. Always practice simples. Always practice your questions on site like Gigs for Geeks and hackerrank.com. This will help you to improve your programming knowledge and some other knowledge that is some other concepts that is very needed in your DSA journey. After first month of your DSA journey, you have to start with second month of your DSA journey. DSA path or a DSA journey. It should start with now linked lists, tags, queues. Understand how each concepts like stats, queues, and all of this like graphs, how they work, how they how can we put those concepts on our programming. Understand how each one of them works and practice at least 40 to 50 questions per day on these websites like HackerRank and Gigs for Geeks. This will improve your knowledge drastically in the first and second month of your DSA practice. And third month will be start with the third month that will start with binary trees. The third month will start with trees and binary search trees. Learn tree traversal techniques like focus on trees and binary search. Focus on trees and binary search trees. Learn tree traversal techniques like in order, pre-order, and post-order. Try recursive programming problems. Try recursive problems that will help you to boost your mind and creates your mind on a path that will teach you how to think in a logical way. After 3 months, you will enter in fourth month of your DSA journey. In this month, you have to start with searching, sorting, binary search, merge sort, quick sort, start solving like recursion and backtracking questions like n queens and rate in a match. Think before your code. Understand the logic, not the syntax. In fifth month of your DSA journey, you have to start with graphs, dynamic programming. Learn BFS, DFS, and sorted path algorithms. For DP, focus on patterns like Fibonacci, knapsack, and longest subsequence. These are tough, but they prepare you to be top level in top level interviews, to be selected in top level interviews. And the final month should start with online contests, mock interviews, and revise everything you have learned. Upload your work on GitHub and track your progress. This will build your resume too. And always remember this: great coders aren't born, they are made by consistency and consistent practice, problem solving, and the courage of to never and ever give up. So stay focused, code daily, and you will be ahead of the crowd, and you will be the 1% of this crowd of like going in a rail and where they want to go. They don't know where they want to go, but you know that how potential you have, how far you can go, and which people are really helping in your life to move forward, not in the backward of your life. This video is made for just for DSA roadmap, not DSA lecture. So if you want lecture, that I will give a full day on data structures and algorithms lecture in this on this channel. So if you want me to do that, please hit the subscribe button and the like button to motivate me like that. Like the way I motivate you. Thank you so much for being 10 minutes in this video. Thank you so much. So hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends to motivate them that how to start with DSA interviews and for prepare for the best future that I have to give you all. Thank you so much. Love you.